Anyone dalimo rabwangno na adade kana corona no Uganda Intunga ledo lete lukumni unike da kaisa kanyara lundio pe kizda deka inosa natarari nado karamoja.
We have a cumulative 3,071 cases from the first case on the 20th of May 2020, which was an imported case through Amdat and then some from Moroto. We've had up to 34 deaths to date, which gives us a case fatality rate of 1.1%. We've also had, we have a recovery rate of up to 94% to date.
Iriongetela ngale unyeskwa neja Aikis Ekato mngonloka Johnson nedeja situngalude raikarito mona kanya unikuju. Diana Twine nadera gigira nade iriongeteka lo nyezda bale be eronge namba loda itungala dumute Ekato ijesuna noya neotomano karamoja.
In Karamoja, we are targeting about 508,632 people in this region. But we have covered only 10%. And so we really want to see that now the vaccines are in this region, we are able to accelerate.
Buda yata itebe a district angolo karenga nepeka na bila tu kunyeside ronge ronono ya Adepar.
Kalenga, for this particular phase, we have not registered even a single person according to the information I have here. Nabila 2, they have vaccinated for the last 3 days 427 only. Yet your target is over 36,000. So you see how much we have to cover.
Anoitunga dumune Ekato lo kierre engareno kizda poto morate dope porotom aisinyiko ikin ikestunga lo stadumune Ekato lo.
I want to urge every parent who is here that twinning is have to give you a shine. Vaccinate or immunize her or him for betterness tomorrow.
I'd like to call upon the public to accept to be vaccinated with Johnson & Johnson.
Ido Dr. Jenrusa Cheng nadera minister na ngaleu nyesida bwele petunga achakara kuriau kwenye do loto odumute Ekato lo nare yuara noi.
People fear the vaccines, but we who started, actually with everybody in that tent, we are still alive. So if you are waiting to see us die, we are still alive. And none of us is complaining about any complication in our bodies.
If anybody is found to be campaigning this exercise, I will arrest that person and castrate that person straight away.
There is need to sensitize the Karamoja on various types of vaccines that government has brought in. Currently in the Regional Referral Hospital, we have Johnson & Johnson, we have Paifa, we have all types of vaccines here, but people get confused to know, how do I get Johnson & Johnson? How do I get Paifa? Will it affect me? Basically, information should reach the local communities on
Aikis yonade Ekato kalo nyesde buna ngaikin aparasya kanyari anoda natare Karamoja kere Godfred Eyoku TV East Karamoja.